Yo, what's going on guys? Cody here, and today I'm gonna be showing you the best Roblox executor for completely free. So what you wanna do is go to the first link in the description and download Vega X dev mode. Once you go through the download process, you'll get a link to download Vega X. So once you have extracted it, you can just open this Vega X application right here. It looks like something like this when you open it up. So let's go into Roblox Showcase. So let's do a script like print identity and show you the level of it. So there you can see that the current identity is 8. It works completely fine. And I think best feature of this is that you can use a scripts hub in this executor. And every script that you execute will show up in Roblox just like you're using a normal executor on PC. So look, see, infinite yield execute. That's pretty cool. Alright, so that's it from me, so make sure to subscribe. Even already I'll put some footage of me using the executor, so you can see that it's working. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!